Okay, go see what's on your bed.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What have we got on?
What
Pull
is
the covers
that?
and look at it.
Oh, it's Mickey Mouse. Yeah. Let me see what the pillow is. Donald and Mickey Mouse. Donald and Mickey Mouse. Wow.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I thought we were driving somewhere.
No.
Mommy, can I sleep on it?
Yeah, you can sleep on it.
And then it's going to be... And then it's going to warm. Ever.
Oh, nice. You really like that, huh?
I thought that was Toy Story.
No, it's Mickey.
And Donald.
And Donald. Hey, look up at Mommy's phone and say, thanks, Nan and Pap.
Thanks, Nan and Pop.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.